I hope I have enough light to capture this. This is PJ. I just got him. I don't know how rescuers do this. I know this is stress purring, but look at, I'm petting this little guy. I'm petting him. I gave him some nip salimi. Somebody offered me calming spray for a crate today, but Karma put it right in my way and I didn't even see it. But somebody's gonna want to give you a home, buddy. We're gonna fix PJ all up. We're gonna get him all vetted. Can you hear this? Look at him. That's like he knows. I'm sorry. I'm too emotional.